What's up guys, so today we've got an unboxing video of the Ryzen 7 9850X 3D, which as of now, which is the half of 2026, is the fastest gaming CPU you can get. So if you want to take a look at the box itself, this is how it looks like, and let's start this unboxing. So let's take this out. This is how it looks like. Slide out the tray. Nothing else inside the box. And over here we have the gaming beast. AMD Red Team, join the conversation. We got the processor itself. We got the instructions, which of course we don't need as every time. And here is the processor itself. It's in a plastic box. AMD Ryzen sticker and the processor itself. So let me show it to you up close. Damn, it is pretty heavy. The heatsink it has some weight to it. This is how it looks like. So previously I had some experience with Intel processors mostly, and I gotta say that this has some real weight to it. So this is it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.